Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix lag in Bluestacks 5. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead and open up an instance. For example, this one right here. Let's just wait for it. Now, once it's opened, go ahead and go to your taskbar. Right click on a blank space. Now go ahead and click on Task Manager. Okay, wait for it to load. I'm going to maximize this one. Now I'm going to go ahead over to Details right here. With the three dots and the three horizontal lines, just click on it. Now go ahead and look for Bluestacks, okay? Or the HD player. Right here, just click on it and right click. And go ahead and click on Set Priority. Make sure that it is set to high. All right, there will be a pop-up. Do you want to change the priority of this exe? Just go ahead and click on Change Priority. Once done, just minimize the Task Manager as we are going to need this later. Now, in your search bar, just type in graphics. All right. Once this graphic settings pop up, go ahead and click on it. Now, once done, locate Bluestacks right here. Click on it. Now, make sure that the GPU preference is set to high performance. Okay. Click on it. Now, make sure again that is set to high performance. Once done, just close this one. Now, go to the Bluestacks settings right here. Click on it. Now, under performance, make sure that the CPU allocation is set to half. All right. For example, you have an 8-core CPU. Make sure that you use half on Bluestacks. All right. I'm going to show you. We're going to open up the Task Manager right here at the Performance tab. Okay. As you can see here, my CPU, I have 8 cores. So on Bluestacks, I should be using 4 cores. Memory allocation right here is 8 gigs. As you might notice here, I have 32 gigs. I just used 8 gigs as it's pretty usable. All right. If you want a custom one, if you want 16 gig, just go ahead and click on custom. Now go ahead and type in the equivalent of a 16 gig right here. Now going back in performance mode, make sure that you set this to high performance. All right. Just in case your Bluestacks 5 is lagging. If not, just go ahead and leave it as balanced. And the frame rate right here, make sure to crank it up to 60, all right, depending on your monitor. For example, if you have a 60 Hertz monitor, go ahead and crank it up to 60 right here. If you want to enable high frame rates right here at this slider, click on it. And for example, you have a 165 refresh rate monitor. Make sure that you use 165 right here. And once done, just hit on Save Changes, all right? After that, just go ahead over to graphics right here. And again, if your Bluestacks 5 is lagging, just make sure to select OpenGL and interface renderer right here set to auto and hardware encoding. If you have a graphics card in your computer, go ahead and select hardware decoding. If you only have a CPU with built-in graphics, make sure to select software decoding. And once done, just hit on save, restart your computer, launch Bluestacks 5 again, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.